train station. Welcome to the wasteland. So we're making our way through the desert town, and we're heading to the train station because there's a little spot that's quite out of the way over there, and we won't be in anyone's way, and we won't be giving or receiving any type of virus, right?
Hope so. Who knows?
So in case you didn't catch last week's episode, like, me and Kieran and Chelsea all live in the same household, so we're all square to be out and about for our hour's exercise. So train conductors are looking at us a little strange, like we're not supposed to be here. I'm not even sure if the trains from here are running right now. So in case you haven't seen it yet, guys, we released a free home workout for everybody to do. It's got video tutorials and it requires no equipment. So if you go over to parkourjourneys.com, actually there'll be a link in the description, and you can download yourself a free home workout to keep yourself moving at home, keep yourself strong, conditioned, healthy, happy. So check that out. And here's the spot. This is all right. There's actually some good stuff here, I reckon. Obviously we're going to like the most secluded spots. We can't be like jumping on stuff that's kind of really public. So things like this are all we've got. But we'll make the best of it. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
I've been removed from the spot once.
Removed?
Or not, like, they didn't pick me up. You can't do that here. That was before this. So hopefully we can still just train here and not have any issues. But
Man, I don't know what it is, but the second you're talking to the camera, you whisper. You literally whisper. And I can't ever put it in because you're like this.
Oh.
Alright, let's get warmed up, man. My shoes are really grippy on the wall, so I'm really finding it hard to do the actual swivel, so it's nice and smooth, so I can come back down without any So if I want to do the thief down, I've got to get it so that the swivel is right on this part of the wall, because if I get it here, then my foot just slips back and then I can't do it down. And realistically, I want to be spinning and going lower so that I can push off smoothly.
Took me a little while to get this thing. I'm stepping on here, do a little twirly whirly on there, land on the middle bit, vault over this wall, step on the rail thing over there, the bollard, and then free back down to here, and then do whatever. Coming back probably makes no sense whatsoever, but it'll make sense when you see, I suppose. Yeah. I'll get the first bit nailed and then I'll add more.
I don't know what to do now. Whatever happens, happens, I suppose, folks. Ba-da-ba-da. Alright, that was pretty close. I pretty much got the swivel right. I got the step through down. I want to get it a little bit smoother, but I think I've got the technique now. Really close. If my toe lands even a little bit too far back, then I can't do the step speed down because it just slides right back. And there's quite a drop on the other side of here. So it's getting in my head. And obviously swiveling on the corner of a wall, or aiming to do that, ain't too fun. Tell you what, the weirdest thing about getting the camera on a challenge before you've done the challenge is that it then creates this expectancy that you're going to have to get the challenge, which is almost its own motivation, but it's also not the way you usually train when you haven't got a camera on you. So it's a bit peculiar. Oh. Double! For some reason, whenever I get the step up bit here, I can do the swivel, and then I'm too close, there's only that much room to do the step down nicely. So somehow I've got to get the like stride up, swivel round at more of an angle. I'm close. Call that a check, mate. That was a really good one. Let's go.
Triggered. You can see that I caught half of my foot on this weird brick thing which has fallen off on some of this wall. Just put me off, man. Put me off.
Show me how angry you are, mate.
Did it come out?
Yeah. Yeah. Chelsea's trying to make this precision. She's not really done one this big outside before, and we're just encouraging her to get the bounce off. She's been working it up nearly to the pre. Yes! Oh man, that was really close. Oh man, you're so there. Yes! Oh! Oh man, so close. Stood up too early, huh?
Yeah.
Yes! That was so the one. That was so nice, man. Bang. Nice. What was scaring you about that, man?
Just, I don't know, not, so obviously my ankle's still not great. I think that was just freaky out because it's quite far as well. I haven't done that far outside, so yeah, it's falling on my face.
How did you imagine that to happen?
I don't know. You just think the worst, don't you?
No. I try not to.
Oh, it's me then.
No, it's not just you. So the reason Chelsea was getting that standing pre is so that we could get into this line here. Thief, tic-tac, back, and then pre-up. How you feeling about it?
Get in my head.
Yes! Yes, all right. So that was like barely any pause as well, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So the aim of the game is I want to jump off there, Kong this rail and pre here. which looks quite small from here, but when I get up, hit your head on all the trees, and then, yeah, look, it looks really far from here. I keep whacking my head on this, and that's actually where I need to start to kind of aim myself correctly onto that bit, which is making all of this a bit dodgy. Yes! Ha! You ready to move on?
Yeah, I'm ready to move on.
I think it's time, isn't it?
It is time.
We're off to go to the homeless spot now. I guess that's just its name. And hopefully get some new stuff. Kieran went off to scout early. So hopefully he's found some stuff, some challenges for us to do. So let's go. Just want to thank every single one of you who has subscribed, and all of the comments that we get. They're super encouraging, and we're going to keep bringing you these videos as much as we can during this whole pandemic and whatnot. But yeah, just all the positive feedback has been really appreciated. Thank you so much. Hey man,
What's up?
how goes it?
It's good.
Yeah?
Some stuff.
Some stuff?
Some stuff.
Oh, do not breathe, mate. That's not a good sign. This looks all right, man. We've got some stuff.
All the way down.
We could definitely play ground zero here as well.
Yeah.
Nice. All
There's a
right. I think this is going to be all right. We're going to set up shop. We've just seen police on the way, so we're going to see if what they say about parkour being okay or not. Hi guys.
Hello, how you doing?
Oh yeah. Doing all right yourselves?
Very well. I'm assuming you don't all live together. You don't
Actually, we all
live
live together.
Are you all family?
Well, we lived permanently together for the last year.
I've got a
Yeah,
Just
we've
on
got
the
some
ID.
ID.
We've
Yeah.
got Bill.
our ID and that's got Bill with all our names on.
Actually didn't bring mine. It's got my name.
So the only reason we've come up here is because a member of public said that she was walking down here and she spoke to you and she said you weren't that pleasant to her.
We
A lady with a pram.
Such a rude.
What?
Yeah.
that's that lady.
That's so untrue. Like
That's
we saw
outrageous.
her, anyone coming down here.
Yeah.
We've moved well out of the way and said sorry, excuse me,
Yeah.
go through. That's completely.
Yeah, that's the
lie.
one that gave you like
She gave me a weird look, but I just
Yeah.
said, yeah, there you go.
step back and said sorry, and then
Yeah. We're,
and then he was
obviously, we're not
Yeah.
doing something that's normal, so there's no reason
Yeah,
why we
no.
would be ourselves about it. So.
And you guys look a lot older than she. I was expecting to come down and
She
see
said
two like
teenagers.
14-year-olds or something.
Yeah, yeah.
Which was obviously. Which one's Liam?
Family.
Liam, when did you do it first? Is it
Yeah.
like, do you like compete or anything like that, or is it just?
We're both coaches,
Oh really?
so that's our job as well.
So have you seen the is it that tagging competition?
Speed chase tag.
Yeah,
yeah, I've seen
seen
that.
that on YouTube.
So it's not Kelsey, is it? What's your name?
Chelsea.
Chelsea. My advice is that obviously, I'm just going to look it up. I'm pretty sure it's okay because you live in the same address, but I think the legislation literally says family, be of the same family.
Right. Okay.
Which I'll look it up, in which case if it's not, then the only thing is, it's such a public space,
Right.
people will come up to you and go, oh, yeah, we should be watching government guidelines.
We've actually been trying to keep out of the way. We thought
Yeah.
people would be down here. This is
No,
kind
it's
of,
quite, it's a surprisingly busy track.
yeah.
Anywhere
Anywhere else we've been like staying off our normal spots because
Yeah.
it's like obviously there's a lot of stuff that's public way and we're trying to keep off that.
No, it's resides in the same address, so you're fine.
Beautiful. Amazing.
Yeah, if you get any more calls about you, I'll let everyone know we've spoken to you.
Yeah, that'd be
All
great, thank you.
I'm sure you weren't rude, because you guys don't. You're very quiet and pleasant to
Yeah,
us.
that was. That
Um,
seems like a weird allegation.
But yeah, so
We'll try and make sure we're as polite
Yeah.
as possible, obviously. Yeah.
perfect. All right, guys. Other than that,
Don't injure yourselves.
don't
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Thanks for being
guys.
so nice.
Thanks.
Cheers,
Yeah,
guys.
thank
you. Guys.
And that's actually what a nice set of policemen look like. So, you know, they are about. It turns out, yeah, we were waiting to see if we were going to be okay to be doing parkour, and it turns out that we are, and we've got the AOK from the police now as well. So we don't need to feel worried or not. The only reason, I don't know if you heard, the only reason they came down was because there was a lady who came past in her pushchair, and we all moved right out of the way. We were really polite, and we said, well, you know, after you. And yeah, she said we were really rude to her, which is a real shame because she could have just stopped our exercise based on her whatever she was thinking.
Misinterpretation of a polite
Yeah, right?
Like, excuse me.
It's a shame.
Sorry.
Yeah. Anyway, I guess we can carry on training now, but there you have it. You know, some nice guys. Very tall. 6'7" or something ridiculous.
Yeah.
Jesus. All right, okay, let's get on with our challenges. I think that's about time for us to call it a day. We came around the back, this is actually the back of the same building. We came around here so that Chelsea could get her line just before we went. We're all pretty tired now. We were going to do ground zero around the thing, but I think we'll save that for another time. There's plenty to do here, so I think we'll come back for sure. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We're going to stretch down now. We really appreciate all the comments, all the subscriptions, everyone who supports us. We love you. Don't forget to download that free workout so you can stay active at home, and hopefully we'll be back next week. We've got the AOK from the police now, so good stuff.
Bye. Like, subscribe. Don't like again because it unlikes it. Share. Tell your family. Tell your preacher. Tell the baby Jesus. Tell yourself to watch Parkour Journeys and enjoy the Parkour Journeys. Am I talking loud enough?
Just about.
Sick.